Hello friends, welcome to Top Club Shopping. Today we will make Gawar ki phalli in mutton. Friends, we all know that Gawar ki phalli or cluster beans is a very healthy bean, and when cooked in mutton or keema it becomes very tasty. So people who don't eat will also start eating if you prepare these beans in my style. To understand the complete procedure, please watch the video till the end. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel Top Club Shopping and show your encouragement. And keep watching for more such interesting recipes. Thank you.